Do you love Princess House products and have for a while? I have a secret to show you of a way that you can become a Princess House consultant and take advantage of great discounts and even earn some supplemental income. A lot of people reach out to me, and I'm happy to tell you my name is Lindabradley, and I've been with Princess House for almost 40 years. So, this is the starter kit. When you are new with Princess House, you need to have a starter kit so that you have products and you can show people. Let me show you what comes in the kit, and then I'll tell you how you can get it. So we have some of the most popular products for you. I'm going to start with some of the storage containers. This is part of our Vita Sana produce keepers. They're an amazing set. You've seen my other videos on them. They keep your fruits and produce fresh for weeks and save you so much money. In addition to that, you're also going to get one of our new pantry containers, and these are really nice. They're made of BPA-free plastic and some silicone, and they have nice airtight seals, so no matter what you put in here, you're not going to have those smells later. They come in all different sizes. This is the one that comes in the kit. I use this one for rice, oatmeal, things like that. In addition, you're going to get some of the items that everybody loves, and this is one. This is our 10-inch nonstick skillet. So everybody loves nonstick cooking because it just makes it so easy for you, especially to clean, but you also don't have to cook with any fats or oils. And our nonstick is made of a special proprietary formula, and there is no PFOA, no dangerous chemicals that are in them. Now, of course, when you get this kit, it's yours and you can use it. We want you to use it because then you'll be able to tell people how much you're enjoying the Princess House experience. A different kind of product that we have is called the Vita Sana. These are the pieces that are 5-ply. They cook 29% faster. They have a special little steam seal. And the most important thing is they actually hold in 67% of your nutrients. So when you're trying to feed your family healthy foods, it's nice to know that you can do it in something like this. You can actually cook your proteins, your meat, your fish, or chicken without any added fats or oils. And it steams your broccoli, your vegetables. It's just amazing. One of the most popular collections that we do have. This is in the 2.5 quart. And then one of my favorite kitchen tools, I use it all of the time, is our 4-in-1. They call it a stick blender or an immersion blender. And the 4-in-1 is because there's 4 different ways that you can use it. So this, I have it hooked up to like a mini food processor. You can use it for carrots or celery. I use it especially when I bake because it's super easy to use for nuts and things like that. The next one, and you can see how easy this is, you just turn it. That's how it goes on and off, is a masher. So great for mashed potatoes, saves you a lot of little arm room. Then we have one that's just a blender. And the nice part about that is you can use this to blend soups. Like sometimes when you make a soup, butternut squash soup or tomato soup, they tell you to take it out of the pan, put it in a blender, then put it back in the pan. You don't need to do that. Just use your stick blender, right? You can also use it. It comes with this vessel, and you can use it to make smoothies, right? Anything like that. And then last, but certainly not least, we have the whisk. And so this one is good for eggs, whipped cream, anything like that. So that they call this the 4-in-1 immersion blender. And then a couple of more tools to help you with your cooking. One of them is our silicone based. This is our flat spatula. So it has a stainless steel base, but then the silicone, which is really nice. If you have plastic products, you know it because they burn and they warp and they peel, and silicone doesn't do that. Silicone is heat resistant up to 375 degrees. And then in addition to stainless steel, the most important items that you have in your kitchen are your knives. This is German inspired. It's nice, has a nice weight to it. You'll see that it's what we call full tang. It has one continuous piece of steel, so it won't ever snap in half. Perfectly balanced for your hand, and they do come with the plastic sheets. So this is what comes in the kit, including you're going to get a pack of catalogs and all the products that you need to run your business. So this whole kit, if you were to buy everything, it would cost you over $600. But the first discount that you get as a consultant is it's $199. So you can either pay that or you can put a deposit down. You can start with $75 and then pay the rest off. So it's a great way for you to start your business. In addition to your books and your catalogs, you're going to get training, and you're also going to get me. If you join my group, Linda Bradley, I do trainings every week with my consultants. My job is to help you learn everything that you need to learn to get the success that you want out of the business. Now, there's some prizes and incentives that we offer. We're a sales company, so we're always going to bribe you a little bit. So let me show you what's going on right now. These prizes go through October 6th, 2023. When you join Princess House and you have your first $750 in orders, whether it's from you or other people, because we do know that a lot of people join because they want the products themselves. They want the discounts themselves. So all of that is good. But when you do that right now and you send in your first $750 in orders by the October 6th, you're going to get a set of 8 of our beautiful champagne stems. Aren't they gorgeous? I love the fact that they call them flutes, or they call them flights. I like that they are stemless. So you can use them obviously for your champagne. They'd be good for any mixed beverage. They're also sweet. Look at the shape of them as little vases. Put them on your Thanksgiving Day table and fill them. So this is $139.95 value, and you're going to get them absolutely free when you send in your first $750. All right, did you have fun? So then you want to do it again. Send in another $750 for a total of $1,500 by October 6th. And the next prize that you're going to earn is our stackable collection. This is a 4 and 6 quart stock pot. They stack to make it really easy for you, that you don't have to have a lot of room in your kitchen, and you'll find yourself using these over and over again. These are valued at over $300. Then you're going to be so excited about Princess House. Your friends are going to be like, hey, what's the deal? How could I get involved in Princess House? So yes, invite your friends, because when somebody joins in your first 2 periods and they do the $750, then you have other prizes. And I'm only going to tell you the first because there's more. But when you have your first friend join, she does her $750, you do your $750, guess what? You're going to get the electric tea kettle. This is absolutely one of my favorite items. So I wanted to show you that as a brand new consultant, when you start Princess House, you sent in $1,500 in orders and have a new person that sends in $750, you're going to get all of these products. They're valued at over $1,300, and it's going to cost you $199. So if you are ready, you can go right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/lbradley. And there's a little clip there that'll say start now. And you're going to go ahead and fill it out. It's going to ask you who your consultant is. That would be me. And the password is Linda Bradley. If you have more questions, please reach out to me. My email is thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I'm very happy to answer any of your questions for you. This is the perfect time to start. We are approaching the holiday season, and not only are people buying gifts, but it's going to give you an opportunity to earn some supplemental income so that you can buy the gifts yourself or do everything that you want. People come into Princess House to get discounts on the products, to earn extra income. There's so many other benefits, the social atmosphere, to learn all kinds of skills, and I would be honored if you would join my group. So as I said, my name is Linda Bradley. Thank you for watching my video today. If you know anybody who might be interested, somebody who's looking for an opportunity like this, please pass the information along to them so that they can be involved as well. Like I said, or did I say, I've been with Princess House for almost 40 years. It's an incredible opportunity. I was able to raise all of my 4 children without having another full-time job. And I love the flexibility that I can work around what's going on in my life. And one of my greatest joys is to pass that on to you. So ask me any of your questions. I'm here for you.